Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this fake dollar bill. First off, I should say that this dollar bill is 100% fake and intended for play use only. I'm not responsible for anyone's actions should they choose to replicate this tutorial and attempt to illegally counterfeit the US dollar. To create this dollar bill, I scanned a $20 bill front and back on my printer and took it into Photoshop. I changed several things like the signatures on the bill and added "for motion picture use only" on the front and back. Next, I'm going to print out the pieces as accurate as I can in size and use glue to stick them together. You can also just print out the bill on a double-sided piece of paper. I crinkled up the bill to add a more realistic effect. And if you want to be done, you can, but I took it one step further. I used tea and stained the dollar bill, which would unevenly give it more color and make it that much more convincing for stage or screen use. You can use this tutorial to create any dollar bill, fictional or otherwise, and just have fun with it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.